formally cut the tape to inaugurate. Sam. Delta State has done very well in fighting fire outbreaks across the state. And I know that we have several firefighting stations now in the state, increasing by the day, for which I'm very grateful to the management of the fire service. We have had lots of intervention in the state, and in some occasions, we have had to be called by sister states to intervene in their own state. And I feel very elated every time I speak about the firefighting service in Delta State that they have a wonderful management, and their response time is something that is very encouraging. So having two additional firefighters to join their fleet is something that we must truly be glad about. And I hope that we will continue as a state to support them. It is also one very important thing that will be in a handover note to the next administration, because um, as the cities grow, as the state grows, you must prepare for emergencies such as the one that the firefighting service does engage itself in, and we must find ways to encourage them. I'm also glad that recently, just between yesterday and today, I've had to give approvals to two memos that concerns the firefighting service workers, both those in the lower category and those in the management and upper echelon, where they are able to strive to their best. I will find it very easy to approve any request coming from the firefighting service because they've shown skill, they've shown commitment in their job. And I just hope that every other person that works for the government works in that manner. Things will have been made easy for everybody.
New fire trucks built on Ashok Leyland chassis with a Celescan fire pump. It has tank capacity of 7,000 liters of water and 250 capacity foam concentrate. Foam concentrate is the chemical we use in fighting liquid fires. The small tank is at the back while the main tank is in the middle. Each one of them has 10 delivery hoses and 2 suction hoses. Each of the truck came with a wheelchair in case you attend emergency and you have somebody to move with wheelchair. It also came with 2 stretcher each. Then we have breathing apparatus. Then it also came with 6 fire tunic, 6 for each of the truck, because the truck is built to carry 6 men. The driver, 1 at the front, and 4 in the crew cabin. We have the toolbox, and at the end there you have the first aid box and other auxiliary equipment that came with the truck.